Yes, please.
Okay. Hello, my name is Matas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a maze game in Scratch. So before we start actually making it, I'm going to be showing you what this game actually is going to be. So let's go into full screen and let's run it. So what's going to happen is you have like a maze, and when your mouse cursor touches your character, you can move throughout the maze, and as you'll see, there's a timer. And if I touch a wall, it'll head back to the beginning. So I'm gonna just try and complete this. Um, it's very hard, this one, so I'll try to make an easier one. Okay. So yeah, this is the maze game. Here's all the code before we begin. So yeah. So let's go into my stuff and then new project. So as you can see, it's going to be creating it. So let's click this because we don't want the cat. Oh, okay. So let's start off with the sprite. Let's make it a ball, and maybe let's change it to be blue. So we have a blue orb or ball, and we should probably change the size of it so I can actually fit properly inside of the maze. Okay, so here we go. So we have like our player character. So what we might want to do is we can do when flag clicked forever uh if, and what we're gonna do is get 4 ifs. So this will be our controls. So if we do sensing and then key. Okay. So now we have all 4 keys. So we're just gonna make it. I'm gonna do WASD since that's how I play my games. But you can make it arrow keys or anything. Any button on your keyboard can work. And then what we're gonna do, motion, and then with W we're gonna do change Y by 10. A, we'll do change X by -10. Actually, let's change this to 5 because this might be too fast. So -5. S, that's change Y by -10. I mean -5. And then D, that's change X by 10. And before we start testing it out, we're going to do a go to, and then for position. And so what this will do is it will actually put it back at the beginning. So as you can see, it doesn't follow my mouse, but if I use WASD, oh wait, I made this 10, it's supposed to be 5. Okay, so now if we press play, as you can see, it goes back there. And we have our little character just moving around freely. So yeah, now what we're going to want to do, let me just put up there so I know where it spawns. We're going to create a sprite. Let's make it like dark. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put, I don't know, a line here. Oh, a line here. So this will be like how the maze actually looks like. So we're gonna make this stretch throughout the whole screen. Now what we might want to do is create like a mini corridor. So let's put it here. There we go. Now, as you can see, if we move this, there we go. Now we have a little spawn area. So let's make it actually change where it starts, so that it will start over there instead. So now we have the beginning of our maze. So let's say you can go through here and go through this corridor, or you can go through this corridor. And then let's say over here it'll take you up here. Let's maybe make this. Okay. Let me put that there. Okay, so now, actually wait, let me just scale this. And then maybe we can get another square here to block it off. And then another one like here, and maybe one over here. So it's like a dead end. Okay. So, and let's say our end is going to be over here. Now, wait, hold on. Okay, here. And there we go. So now if we press play, as you can see, I mean, so far we can actually move through this wall, but we'll change that. So as you can see, we can actually like move throughout our maze. Of course, we don't actually fail yet, but the maze is there. So now what we're going to want to do, let me just move that back there. Okay, I noticed that this is like, yep, we're going to have to move that like there. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, we have a place over here we can go to, or maybe like over here we can travel up here, and then here'll be our ending area, this place. So now if let's say we want to make it so that when this touches the maze, so let's call this maze, let's call this player. What we're going to do is we're going to do events when flag clicked, control forever, if sensing touching maze, go to go to and then enter these coordinates. So that's minus 190 and 151. Okay, so now as you can see, we go down here. And oh look, we're doing good, but and as you can see, we spawn back at the beginning. So you have to be sort of careful with this. But this is like the first level, so it's like it's pretty easy. Shouldn't really fail too much on this. Simple. So now let's make an ending area. So oh, back. So now we're gonna go here, paint, and let's do the ending place as a green transparent square. There we go. And we'll make it like 50 size. And actually no, let's make it 30. So now let's do when flag clicked, looks, change, ghost effect. So as you can see, okay, it's turning transparent but not transparent enough. Yep. Yeah, that's good. So now we can do control forever if, oh wait, wrong area. Control if forever if sensing touching player. We're gonna do broadcast next stage. Okay. And what we might want to do here is one flag clicked, looks, switch to costume 1. So now, what we're gonna do, make a new costume, and this one will be like maybe, so there'll be this box here. Oh, wait, wrong. So there'll be like a box here, and this is where the player will spawn. It will spawn over here in this little box, and then let's put in over here. Okay, there we go. So we have our little spawn area, and then what we can do is we can make it go throughout the map. So we're gonna put a line here, maybe a line here. And then we can also make an area over here. So draw there. And let's make the ending over here. So let's make it so that the people have to be careful when they reach the end. Actually, no, let's put up here at the end. That'll just be like a mini area they can go in. So now, okay, let's put that there. And then put this all over here. And then like that. And then this box will go all the way up like here, so that fills up the whole area. And then one final box. I know there's probably a lot of box in this video, but and then here will be the end. So what we might want to do to make this harder is maybe make these gaps thinner so that it's like you have to squeeze in more. So let's put it there. And maybe what we wanted to do is like an enemy. So you have to actually be careful. So, or maybe like a key. Yeah, okay, let's make a key. So what we want to do, okay, first let's test this out. So let's move down here. Oh, I messed up. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, what I need to do is I forgot to make it so that when I would receive the broadcast, let's put that now, when I receive next stage, looks, it would go to next costume. So now if we test it out, oh, okay, there we go. So now let's go over here, up here, and through here. And then as you can see, oh wait, okay, I know why. It's because in costume 2, our character spawns there, but there's a wall there. So what we're going to want to do, go to costume 2, And then when I receive next stage motion, it'll go to that area. So now let's press play. Okay, let's move down here. Okay. And as you can see, we spawn in the next stage. Now currently it's not possible. Oh wait, over here we want to put if hold on. Yep. If and then looks wait, no, if sensing if okay, what we might want to do is if where is it? Make variable costume. Okay, stage 1. So what we're going to do is when flag clicked, it will set stage 1 to 1 if stage 1. So what we're doing is basically we're making like a when I receive, and it's like an if, but for example, something else is changing costume, then, well, I can't really do anything to do with that costume. So what I'd have to do is get a variable and make it so that stage 1 would be if the costume is equal to 1. If stage 1 is equal to 1, then go there. If okay. Hold on. And then if then go to operators and then equal to control, variables, stage 1 is equal to 0. We're gonna do that. Actually, when I receive next stage, set stage 1 to 0. So when that happens, the ball will go to motion. It'll go here. So now let's try. Oh yes, and also we're gonna do the same here. So let's take off this. Okay, so what this is gonna do is when flag clicked, set stage to 1. If it is equal to that, then yeah, it'll go where it went before. And then, well, we need to remove this because, oh wait, so if stage 1, so let's change the maze, the maze costume to costume 1, it will go, we're gonna remove, that, and we're also going to remove this, and then we're going to replace them. So now we do go to over here, and then we swap costumes of the stage to costume 2. And where would we want to move this? Up here. And then if stage is equal to 0, then it will go to here. So now let's try it. Okay, stage 1 working as normal. The player's working, but this isn't. Um, um, I'm not sure what is wrong with this. It should be working. Wait, hold on. That's weird. Maybe we don't need this here, because maybe... Oh, okay, there we go. Okay. Um... It says when flight click switch to costume 1, and then for some reason... Oh! Okay. So this, and then... I'm not quite sure what's wrong, but as you can see, it's a working maze game. Hold on. So yeah, if you learned something, then make sure to join Kiddy Coders because you can learn this on Scratch and way more. So yeah, bye.